Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a sign up crypto.com to Defi wallet, or how you can link your crypto.com to your Defi wallet. First and foremost, you have to log in into your Defi wallet, and once you're logged in, on the home page you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. And once you tap on the gear icon, next interface will be directed to settings page. So on the settings page you'll have a list of options. So from there you have to tap on connect to crypto.com app, which is right in between. So as you tap on it, next interface you have a terms and condition, and make sure to go through it, and after that tap on connect Defi, which is right at the bottom. Now you have to verify your identity. So first of all, you'll have to enter the email address that is associated with the crypto.com, and once you're done entering the email address, tap on send connection email, which is right in between. And after you receive the email, all you have to do is just tap on it, or you have to enter the verification code. And once you're done verifying, next interface, once again you have to log in into your Defi wallet and then tap on the gear icon. Once again you'll be directed to settings page, and then as you open up your settings page, you'll see this kind of interface, which means that crypto.com app, and all you have to do is just tap on it and make sure whether the app has been connected or not. In case you have as connected, which means that you have successfully connected crypto.com to your Defi wallet. So that is how you can set up or sign up crypto.com to your Defi wallet, or that is how you can link your crypto.com to your Defi wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.